Personality is the psychological characteristic of human beings that influences the way people behave when they interact with others and react to a particular situation. See, in organizational behavior, we have to understand the concept of personality. Now, what is personality? Personality is the psychological characteristic. That means whatever I think about myself, this becomes a part of my personality. I say, means whenever we think about a personality, we normally think, we never think about the thought, the perception process and whatever is going in his mind, in his or her mind. Normally we think about the person's physique, but it is more of psyche than of physique. Means more of the psychological concept is involved in the concept of personality than that of physique. Physical nature, physical appearance is secondary in case of personality. Here in OB, it is all the way very important for us to understand the different aspects of personality. See, if you are working in an organization, maybe you are working as a colleague to someone, as a subordinate to someone, and as a senior to others, right? Then at that point, you will be dealing with a right number of people and wide variety of people. So in that case, you have to understand the different person's psychology, means how to deal with people. So it is very important that we understand the concept of personality. We have discussed last day about the different personality traits. There are different types of personality traits. Normally, you will observe, as in, means normally how will we observe the different type of personality? We'll observe the different personality traits from someone's behavior, because behavior is the outward representation. I cannot go into someone's mind. What is he doing? I don't know. I can only check the behavior of a person to understand what is going on inside his mind. Means what is he thinking? I cannot go inside someone's mind. I can observe the behavior. So from that, we can observe different types of personality traits a person have. And accordingly, people should obviously choose their job or the profession which he or means he or she would be willing to do. Right. So there can be personality traits like extroversion, agreeableness, conscientiousness, emotional stability, openness to experience. We have discussed about the self-concept, that is self-esteem and self-efficacy. This point is clear. Shall I move ahead? Self-concept, self-esteem and self-efficacy. Shall I give us revision, or you are aware of this? Means I don't need to explain this. What? Please unmute yourself and then tell me.
আরেকবার বলুন ম্যাম।
ওকে, আরেকবার বলে দেবো, ঠিক আছে বলে দিচ্ছি। সি সেলফ কনসেপ্টে দুটো জিনিস এসে যাচ্ছে, একটা হচ্ছে সেলফ এস্টিম আর সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে সেলফ এফিকেসি। নাও সেলফ এস্টিমের মানে কি হচ্ছে? সেলফ কনসেপ্ট মিন্স what? Self concept simply means what I think about myself. If I'm telling about self concept, this is me, and definitely I have a concept about myself, right? So whatever I think about myself is my self concept. আমি তো নিজের ব্যাপারে কিছু না কিছু তো ভাববো। So now there are two things which I think about myself. First is self esteem, and second thing is self efficacy. Now what is self esteem? Self esteem means simply আমি বলছি that I can do a job. I can do a job, right? This is my self esteem, that I am very confident that yes, I can do this job, this particular job. Maybe I have to work on research, I have to do something on project assignment, anything. So this is self esteem, that I can do a particular job. And self efficacy, what do you mean by self efficacy? Self efficacy means that I will be able to do a job in toughest situation. আমি একটা tough থেকে toughest situation এ I can do this job. So self esteem means I can do a job, that is both are my self concept. ये मेरा self concept है. If my self esteem is high about myself, then I think my self-esteem is high. I can do a job. I can do this. I can do that. This is my self-esteem. If my self-esteem, my self-concept are both is high, then definitely I would be reaching to the highest goal or reaching to my whatever I would like to achieve, and I can achieve my objectives well. So this is all people think about themselves. So self concept is very important for a person. That is self esteem and self efficacy. Apart from self esteem and self efficacy, there's another thing which is called locus of control. Locus of control means what? There's something which controls our mind. There's something which I think, see, people normally, there are two types of people. Locus of control will determine what type of people I am. Whether I'm controlled by the external forces or whether I'm controlling the external forces. See, there are two things. First thing, see, whenever we are working, whatever we are doing, we are influenced by lots of environmental factors. Now, if a person's self-esteem is very high, he can control, he can face any type of environment, right? This means my self-esteem. For me, my self-esteem is very high. So whatever the external thing is, it cannot come to me because my self-esteem is very high. So whatever is coming to me, I will control those things, right? Another person whose self-esteem is very low, this simply means that whatever is the environmental forces, this means this is your psychological immunity. Here I am discussing about your psychological immunity. In today's scenario, you will find that most of the people are very much distressed. They are thoughtless, hopeless, and they are aimless as well. They are not aware what to do and what not to do. Very confused, very demotivated, and very stressed and tensed every time. Means stressed and tensed for no reason. Now, this is not their own fault. Means if a person is, if you find anyone in this situation, then it is not his fault, right? 80% is because of the environmental forces. Now, because the environmental forces is not quite positive nowadays, we all know this, and so much negativity is there. So the environment, what happens is that since his personal immunity, personal psychological immunity is not strong. Personal psychological immunity means his self-concept. This is not there. His self-concept is not at all high. Then what happened? Whatever is coming to him, whatever environmental forces is coming him, it is controlling him. This is actually the locus of control. According to this type of locus of control, we will observe there are two types of people. See, just mentioning you the two types of people. We have two types of people. One is internals. Internals means the people who think that it is, let me just give you a normal example. Internals. This type of people will believe that his work will make his destiny. Fine. And externals. Simply, they will believe, externals people, they will believe on the environmental and they will believe on destiny more than their own effort. So simply, if people is more internals, means if an internal person means his self concept is high, so he is an internal. Now internal people are more motivated and self-discipline, achievement oriented, right? See, everything is means everything is related with each other. Now this person, his self-concept is no doubt low, right? So he is external, he believe on destiny and environmental factor. He is not self-motivated enough, not self-motivated, and definitely not work towards goal or achievement. Fine. Is this clear? See, the personality of any person, whatever we are observing, we are just observing the external, that is the behavioral aspect, the physical aspect, but there are so many things, that is the self concept, the locus of control, whatever you think, the entire thought process is actually making your personality. I am looking at the external part. I'm just looking at, see, this is the person. He is wearing a tie, wearing a pant, and whatever. He is wearing a pant and shirt, or he's carrying a laptop like this, right? But the internal forces that make up the personality, we are not looking into it. So we have to first understand the internal forces. Whatever is there in my mind, because I will look and I will feel whatever I think, whatever is there in my mind, this you can observe it easily. So these things is very important, that these are the different aspects, this which is very important. Otherwise, you will not be able to manage your senior, subordinate, anyone. Fine. The today's